Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can unshare files you have published or shared on Dropbox. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to dropbox.com, log into your account, and here on your home feed, you will see a section called All Files. So simply select the file or the folder you would like to share first. So let me do that really quickly. Left click on the file and select Share here. After that, this window will pop up for you where you will be given the opportunity to add contacts to the list of persons with a permission to access that file. So you can either enter the given person's or recipient's email address here or the name, or alternatively, guys, you can, for example, let Dropbox create a shareable link for you and simply copy that link online, for example, via social media posts or direct messaging services or emails. So let me do that really quickly. Click on Create here. So to unshare that link and also the published file, simply click on Settings here. And on the next page, you have either the option to delete or to remove the created shareable link here by clicking on Delete Link. So that would be one option if you'd like to take that link offline, or alternatively, head over to the file settings here and click on Unshare File in the bottom left corner to remove the permission to access the published file to your contacts. So that's basically it, guys. Confirm by clicking on Save here, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.